What if your Panasonic Lumix camera could capture the feeling of old school film? We've created a brand new vintage inspired LUT pack designed specifically for vlog footage, giving your Lumix videos the character, warmth and cinematic feel of a classic film. Let's take a look at the 8 looks included. If you're shooting on a Lumix camera like the S9, GH7, GH6, S5 Mark II, S5 Mark II X, or the S1H, V-Log gives you incredible flexibility, but sometimes you want more than just a clean color grade. You want emotion, you want texture, you want that timeless film look, and you want it to be easy. This LUT pack was designed to bring those classic cinematic styles straight into your workflow. LUT 1. Rec 709. This LUT is if you just want to convert your vlog footage to Rec 709 for a more defined look. LUT 2. Cinema 1978. Cinema 1978 brings back the character of late 70s filmmaking. Warm highlights, soft contrast, and a subtle analog feel inspired by the golden age of cinema. Perfect for creating a true retro movie look. LUT 3. Midnight Film. Midnight Film takes your footage into a darker, moodier direction. Deep shadows, rich colors, and a cinematic atmosphere. This one's ideal for night scenes, street photography, or dramatic storytelling. LUT 4. Dust and Grain. Dust and Grain adds that imperfect analog feeling to your footage. Inspired by old film stocks, this look gives your footage more texture and personality. It's perfect for when you want your footage to feel less digital and more organic. LUT 5. Velvet Vintage. Velvet Vintage creates a softer, more luxurious film aesthetic. Beautiful tones, gentle contrast, and a smooth cinematic finish. Great for fashion, weddings, or premium lifestyle videos. LUT 6. Retro Noir. Retro Noir combines vintage film style and a darker cinematic mood. Perfect for urban videos, music videos, or story-driven projects. A classic look with a modern edge. LUT 7. Old Money. Old Money is all about timeless luxury, muted colors, elegant tones, and a refined cinematic style. Perfect for luxury brands, fashion content, or high-end travel videos. LUT 8. The Film Collection. Finally, the Film Collection brings everything together. A balanced vintage film look designed as an everyday cinematic grade. A great starting point for any project where you want that classic film character. Now, if you've downloaded a LUT and have no idea what to do with it, here's the quick and easy way to do it in Premiere Pro. In Premiere, select your clip and open the Lumetri color. Now, just a quick note here, these LUTs do work in Final Cut Pro, Media Composer, CapCut, and other apps, but of course, we're just showing it here in Premiere Pro. Now, if you're using a creative LUT, go to Creative, then Look, click Browse, and then select your .cube file. Once it's applied, adjust the intensity until it looks just right. And one important tip, don't use a creative LUT as a replacement for proper color correction. Get your exposure and white balance looking good first, and then use the LUT to create the final look. And that's it. You're ready to start grading. That's our new vintage LUT collection for Panasonic V-Log. Each LUT was created to give Lumix creators a faster way to achieve cinematic color whilst keeping the natural quality and flexibility of V-Log. So whether you're creating travel films, YouTube videos, documentaries, or cinematic projects, these looks are designed to help your footage stand out. Let us know which one is your favorite and check out the full pack using the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.